Hi, I'm Mrs. Allen. I'm the K through 6th grade music teacher here at Grove Park Elementary. This is my third year here at Grove Park Elementary. I've been teaching music for 12 years now in the Clay County School District. I have a passion for teaching children the basics of music, but having fun at the same time. The first week of school, I spent at least 2 days discussing what our classroom norms would be for music. My students, your children, did a phenomenal job coming up with some normal routines that we practice on a daily basis during class time together. An important part of music is moving to music. So with my younger students, we talk about the importance of our personal space and why we need to stay in our own space while singing and dancing during music class. We also have procedures for using our instruments properly. My students are taught how to hold percussion instruments correctly, how to play them gently, and how to return them carefully so we don't accidentally break them. We have a pretty good variety of instruments to use in our classroom, but we're hoping to receive more over the school year. We have Orff instruments, which are a combination of miniature xylophones made from wood and metal. Some of our larger Orff instruments are our tabano drums and djembe drums. For protection against COVID-19 germs, we use hand sanitizer before and after using classroom instruments. Depending on the type of instrument, sometimes I quarantine materials or a group of instruments for 3 days before using them again. And I also have my students sitting in a similar seating chart to their homeroom classroom. The things I'm looking for in my classroom are good behavior and participation, so we can have the most fun learning music and the opportunity to use instruments that we have. As an incentive, each week we have a competition between rows. Each row is trying to earn music note points by showing self-control, using our time wisely, staying in our personal space, showing kindness to each other, and concentrating on the work in front of us. Whichever row is the winning row gets a fun prize at the end of the week. I also look for 2 individual students exhibiting all of classroom norms to honor them by being the king of the jungle and the queen of the jungle. My hope is that after a full year of school, each of my students in my room will have had a turn at being the king or queen of the jungle. I also use Class Dojo to keep track of how many individual points each student in my classroom has. Once they've reached 100 points, they're allowed to pick their prize of having lunch with Mrs. Allen, being Mrs. Allen's classroom assistant, or pick some prizes from my music treasure box. If you would like to connect with me through Class Dojo, please download the app from the App Store and email me to let me know that you'd like to receive your dojo code to join my classroom. My email address is krista.allen@myoneclay.net. I'm looking forward to another great school year, and if I haven't met you in person, I look forward to meeting you.